y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be installing Beautyforever hair, and this is their 5x5 HD lace closure wig. Off camera I did bleach the knots on this unit, I plucked the hairline, and I also tinted the lace using my Ebin lace tint in the color medium brown. So a couple of details about this wig. This is their 26-inch body wave 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and the density of this wig is 250% density. I'm going in with the Bold Hold active glue, and I'm applying 2 layers of that glue to lay my lace down. I like to go in with my elastic band for like that extra melt, and I also like to use my blow dryer just to help the lace lay down even more. I'm going in with the Ebin Firm Hold Spray to basically just glue down all of the areas that lifted up after I cut the lace. I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation, and this foundation really helps to blend my skin tone with the lace, and it matches perfectly with my skin tone. I love this product. Now it's time to style the hair. I'm using the bedhead crimper, and I really do like the way these crimps came out using this tool. It gave off this soft crimp look, and I really did like it. So my camera ended up dying midway as I was styling the hair, and I didn't even notice it. But anyways, I did add the half up ponytail to this style. So with this process, I'm really just trying to fluff the base of the ponytail just so that it can look a bit more full. Here's the end results of this style. I think it came out really cute. The hair held the crimps very well, and it held it for a long time even after the video. The lace on this unit, very nice, definitely HD, and the hair was just very soft and full. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.